6514.
We made it.
And two of our bags are already here.
Two of our bags are here. I don't see the other.
Big bag.
Yep.
Big bag's still missing.
Okay.
But are you ready? 6514.
6514.
It says it's commitment to cleanliness. Here we go.
Ta-da!
And look at this thing.
Yay!
I don't think it's as big as the Wish.
No, it's not quite as big as the Wish.
But it's dark. And there's something over there.
Yeah. Our cruise line stuff. Doug and Brittany enjoy a cruise from Mom.
Oh, Mom dropped some presents off.
Mom got presents. All kinds of presents. Ooh.
What do you got here?
From Mom too. She sent us champagne
And a rose.
and a rose.
And chocolates.
That was very nice of her. All kinds of presents. We'll have to dig in here in a little bit.
We'll turn the lights on and we'll give the room tour.
Yeah.
And then dig into the presents.
Yes, for sure.
We've entered. This is the 6514.
Yeah. Super exciting. So
What kind of cabin is it?
it is an Oceanview with a porthole.
Yes. Not like a sit-in one like we had in the Wish, but
No, there's like a little ledge there.
There's
Might
a
be able
little
to. All right. So immediately to the left, we have a closet here. Pretty big closet
wait,
with some hanging room and your life vest.
life vests up there.
A bunch of hangers.
Yeah.
On this side, we've got
More.
the ladder, more life vests, the safe,
A ladder,
few
because
shelves.
this one does have the pull-down bed.
Yeah. So, and then here we also have some drawers. Skinny ones, bigger ones. A cool picture of Walt and Lily on deck.
Mm-hmm.
A little countertop here with some glasses. We have our silver Castaway. I think this is the new for the silver anniversary.
It doesn't really say
It doesn't
anywhere
say,
on there.
but I think this is the new one.
But it's definitely a tote bag we don't have.
Yeah, it's similar to the one we got on the Wish, but not different. Like it's different logo.
Right.
And then it also comes with our lanyards. The Captain Mini Castaway Club Silver. Right, and then heading back on the right, we've got the split bathroom in here.
Uh-huh.
So we've got the toilet. There's a cabinet over there. That's kind of nice with shelves.
Yeah, that's a little
I don't
different
know what
than
this is. I feel like they left that there for.
That's for bio
Maybe.
waste. If you have to, like needles or something.
I guess.
And then there's a little trash can down there, and the
Yep.
toilet is small in this one. I do remember that from my first sailing.
And then this side has the shower
Right.
and another sink vanity area.
That trash can is a little askew,
But
it looks like.
yeah, the shower is relatively. It's a little difficult for people Doug's size, but
What are you saying?
it looks nice.
Uh-oh.
Pretty big.
Yeah, it's a smaller shower, but it's still got the tub combo down there.
Yeah. I think I don't think it's necessarily smaller than the Wish, but it makes it look smaller with the shower curtain, I think. Alright, as we step into the room,
Yes.
we've got the queen size bed.
Yes,
I
we
think this is
do.
a queen. A little nightstand.
The drawer is open on it.
Yeah. On the Wish, we had the TV right here mounted to the wall.
That's correct.
This we have another
We have the Pirates.
artwork. We've got more storage space. This room has a lot of storage space. I feel like it has maybe more than the Wish.
I think so.
Like more drawers. Let's see. Yeah, a whole like
just some shelves
cabinet
down here.
shelf space. Whoops. A little loud. All right. There are curtains. Definitely a smaller TV though.
Correct.
So
And then another.
more storage up top. And I think this is our beverage cooler. Oops. Maybe.
Oh boy.
There we go. Beverage cooler. And some more drawers. Hair dryer.
Drawer and drawer and drawer.
Drawer and drawer. A little vanity. Here's some stationery. More drawers. A nice large mirror. And then over here, with all of our stuff, is the couch. which does fold down into a bed. And then this also can be a bed that drops from the ceiling as well.
Correct.
We don't need that.
And it has...
It has some artwork. A dream is a wish your heart makes. And then finally, out the porthole window. I mean, there's a little ledge. You can kind of sort of sit here. Can't get up in the porthole.
Can't get up in the porthole.
Can't get up in the porthole, but...
There's a little ledge there.
Yep.
So what do you think?
I think it's nice. It feels pretty big. I mean, it's definitely like, I think the same like width as the Wish. Pretty much. It might be just a touch shorter, but I think it'll do.
It'll do for the next 5 days.